Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this transition that you see on the screen. Very basic, simple one. This is a good one for beginners. Start out with a cross dissolve, right click on it, convert to fusion cross dissolve. Then you'll have a fusion icon. Show up, click on it, it'll take you to fusion. Bring the media in 2, down below the media in 1, and delete the cross dissolve. Then get a Mac control. If you hovered over the line and it turns blue and yellow, let go, it'll automatically connect. Get a rectangle. To connect the rectangle to the Mac control, want to right click on the output of the rectangle, take it to the Mac control, and connect it to the garbage mat. Right click on the rectangle, copy, click away right here, then right click and paste instance. If you don't know what an instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you're taking it off from. If you change the value in one, it'll change it in both, unless you de-instance it, basically decoupling them so they work independently. Get a background, merge them together like that. Select the instance, right click on invert and de-instance. Right click on solid and de-instance. Uncheck the solid. Now we'll have our border. I'm going to leave that for a moment. Go back to the rectangle. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. We want to take the width a little bit wider than 1.0. And reason being, you see in the viewer, if you add a border to it, you only want it on the top and bottom. You don't want it on the sides. So put in 1.2 in the width. And now you can only see the border on the top and bottom. Set that back to 0. I'm going to make the color white for my default color. You chose whatever you like. Select the merge and get another one. Plug the media in 2 into that merge, and you'll see we have the wrong picture showing. This is the outgoing picture. Right click on the merge, swap inputs, and now we have the correct one. You don't have to do this, but to clean it up a little bit, hold the Alt key down and click on the line anywhere. We'll add a pipe router in there. That way it keeps things kind of organized. And go back to the rectangle. Right click on the height, modify width, anim curves. If you go to the modifier, change the curve to easing and sign and sign. That's just the default setting. You'll have these options in the macro. I want to make this so we can operate it in reverse. To do that, you want to right click on invert, publish, then go back to tools, on the rectangle, right click on invert, connect to, anim curves, rectangle height, invert. Now it's opening to see the second picture. If we select invert, it's now closing. So uncheck the invert. We'll go ahead and make the macro. Highlight it like I am from the top left, like that. Make sure none of the medias are selected. Then right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro, create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. On border width, change width to thickness. So it says border thickness. On the minimum, go 0.0. We don't want to really go any thicker than 0.1. It's quite thick, so we'll go ahead and put that in. Go to anim curves, background, that's the line color. Put border in front of color. Go to File, Save as Group. It takes you to Macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Transitions. Here is where you're going to make a folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name it exactly the same or Resolve won't recognize it. A DRFX file, it doesn't matter. Hit save and we'll go find it. And if you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. And if you click on it, go to the inspector, you have all your options. You want to add a border, soft edge, invert it so it closes. By default, it opens. You have your easing. And here's a little tip, an easy way to put a transition on, any transition. Put your playhead between the two clips and double click your transition. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.